Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we are diving into important concept how to share and access data between a lakehouse and warehouse in Microsoft Fabric. But here is the twist. We are not copying data between them. We are simply accessing it seamlessly using SQL Analytics Endpoint. So what does data sharing really means here? It is not about physically copying and moving data between them. Instead, we are talking about how Lakehouse generated data can be accessed from warehouse and vice versa. Why now? We already have both Lakehouse and warehouse resource created in Microsoft Fabric. So let's now understand step by step how to access table from one in the other. So before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful to you. Now let's get started. Now I'm in the home page of Microsoft Fabric. So let's go to here first workspace and let's open here wh_project workspace and let's open warehouse demo_wh_project warehouse. So let's open this and now you can see here plus warehouse icon. Click on this and now you can see here under LH means lakehouse underscore demo lakehouse which we created previously, and you can see here type SQL Analytics Endpoint. Okay, so let me expand this SQL Analytics Endpoint. So this is the lakehouse and you can see also lakehouse icon. So let me click on this and let me confirm and you can see here now so LH underscore demo lakehouse is added to warehouse. So now lakehouse table show up in the warehouse view. You can see here lakehouse schema and table. Now you can query data. Let me open new query and let me insert into canvas and let's select lakehouse table in warehouse view. So let me write here query select top 10 star from this table LH yellow trip data. Okay, so let me run this and now you can see here data is available, and in same way you can also access here warehouse table. So let me show you difference between them. So insert into canvas and use same query top 10, copy and paste here, and you can see here this is the qualifier of a table. So lakehouse, then this is the database lakehouse, here warehouse name and schema name and then table name, here lakehouse name, schema name and then table name. So let me run again and now you can access both lakehouse and warehouse table. Now let's see vice versa. So again let's go back to workspace and let's again open this workspace wh_project and now let me open here lakehouse. So let me open this and in this view you cannot see here plus any adding option plus warehouse option. You need to go to here lakehouse and open here SQL Analytics Endpoint in lakehouse. So let me open this and now you can see here plus warehouse. Let me click on this and now add warehouse demo_project_ warehouse. So let me click on this and click on confirm button, and now you can see here in lakehouse view you can also see here warehouse table. This is warehouse schema and this is all table available in lakehouse view. So again open here SQL editor and let me insert into canvas and let me do same query select top 10 star from warehouse table. Okay, so let me run this and in same way you can also use here top 10 star from where lakehouse table. Okay, so let me also insert into canvas. Okay, so you can also execute lakehouse as well as warehouse table in same query editor. Okay, so that's how data sharing work between lakehouse and warehouse in Microsoft Fabric. Here no need to copy data, you can simply access it using SQL Analytics Endpoint and you can join as well query and analyze across both seamlessly. So that's all about in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if this clarify and help your doubts. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.